thanks for stopping in to Sandra's Sensations. We're going to do a quick video tonight. Going to do a little chain pull, probably in a circular motion on my canvas. I've got a 14 by 14 ready to go with white acrylic on it. I'm going to give it a torch to get rid of some of the bubbles. And then I'm going to do a whole bunch of little dots, lay the chain down, and pull it and see what kind of effect we get from it. Alrighty, I'm going to do black. We're going to do rose pink, fuchsia. It's going to be kind of a girly painting. I'm going to be doing my purple as well, adding a little bit of bronze and a little bit of gold. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, starting with the black. I'm going to do kind of like in a circular motion where I want to lay the chain over it. And if you're just joining me and have not subscribed yet, please do. It would mean the world to me. And if you have any friends that you think would like to do some art, definitely please share the video. Alrighty, let's do fuchsia. They say you're supposed to promote your video, promote your video, promote your video, but that's about as much as promoting as I'm going to do. I put subscribe in my titles too. Hopefully that'll catch somebody's attention. In my last video I put out information about the bottles that I use. Hopefully people find that very helpful, because I know I wasn't sure when I first started doing these paintings what I was supposed to use or any of that. I kind of just figured it out as I went. I'm certainly not a professional artist, but I like to pretend I am. We all got to have a little imagination in life, right? I don't even know if this painting's going to work out. I just have the vision of it working, so that's what I'm going to go with. They say follow your gut, so I'm going to follow my gut, and luckily abstract painting allows you to do that, because nothing needs to be perfect. Okay, so we got the pinks down. I haven't done purple yet. Boy, I picked a lot of colors for this one. Maybe, do I want to put purple in there still? Yeah, I do. I was going to talk myself out of it, and I thought, nah, I want purple. I like the purple. I might put my bronze and silver to the side. I don't know how I'm going to fit it all in here. Told my chain's long enough. Okay, bronze is something that I really like. It dries beautifully. It really enriches the painting, I think. So I'm definitely putting some bronze in, maybe just not as much. Spreading it out a bit. Okay, I'm leaving the gold out. That was an executive decision. Now I'm going to take my chain. Now I have two chains linked together, so I should have enough. And my best bet's to start in the middle, right about here. When I pull it, yeah, start like that and go to the outer. I might even have to get another chain. Yeah, I'm going to run out of chain. Okay, lucky for me I got another one around here. Was I prepared to run out of chain? No, not really. What do I do with my chain? Will the gold one hook in? Let's see. Hopefully the gold will hook too. So I don't see my other silver one close by. Okay, it's in there. Hopefully it will stay in there. Gold one is a little bit smaller of a chain, but it'll still work for what we need it to do. Okay, and I totally laid that wrong. Okay, I'm going to be pulling from this end. That's going to be interesting, because that's not how I wanted to originally pull it, but that's okay. This is just a test to see if we can actually, oh, actually it's turning out far better than I envisioned. I even like the drips that's happening. So that was totally a happy little mistake. That looks really cool. Okay, hold on, let me wipe my hands off. I'm gonna give it a torch. Let's see what we have for cells happening. Oh yeah, we got some really nice cells popping up. Okay, let's give it a second and see here. Do I want to mess around with it anymore? I'm going to turn it so you can see this view. It's very unique looking. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the cells very well, but I don't want to tip it too much. I think I'm leaving it exactly as is. That looks really cool. I might take my straw and just blow a little bit, because there's a little bit of paint that needs to come out right here under the white. You can see it. Oh, let's do it. I'll just quickly blow it and see what it looks like. Yes, I think I'm going to give it a blow. I'm not going to waste time on the video for you though. Keep it quick and simple for you, but I will post the finished product as my thumbnail picture on this video when I'm all done. But all in all, I think it looks awesome. Thanks for joining me, everyone.